What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Swift Coin today. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it. I'm just curious, from the low to the high, right? That relative low here. Let's get the actual low. I think that's the low. 39.6%. Which one did better in the short-term pump here? 39.6. This one did 49. XCN did a little bit better there. Just wondering which one's more volatile at the moment. It makes sense. XCN might be more volatile because it pumped more overall, right? But they both pumped a lot. Let's get into the actual analysis. So you guys hit the like button. Here we go. So yeah, we dumped a little bit. Swift coin. I think this is the only coin that I was expecting to drop as low as it did, right? I said this actually yesterday. I quite literally said that we would move to this target and likely just below that. I think I said 2.6 cents. How low did we go? 2.5 cents. Right? Pretty perfect. Pretty right on. I'm going to pat myself on the back for once. I don't normally do that, but you know, hey, that was in the midst of a crazy, unexpected drop. The one coin that's a pretty hype coin that everybody's talking about, I feel like I called that pretty well. I suppose you're not going to stop here, and I think you will go lower. Whereas I did expect this to be your low beforehand. With the overall state of the markets right now, I think we need to adjust our game plan. I think the price will go lower. Yes, it's a nice look right now. I know it looks like a big wick. You look at the 1 hour basis, there's a lot of volume that came in on these lows, but the thing is, that was a lot of volume there on the red. Okay, so that's good. A lot of volume at the low does suggest a move up, but then you got your move up. Over half of it was a wick, and that was basically just as much volume. This is probably people or market makers, traders, whatever, just trading the standard volatility. That's what that is. And it's no coincidence that you're likely going to go lower, that you stopped right here, because where you stopped was at your previous areas of support. You back tested previous areas of support and found resistance on them. You had volume coming in at these lows. You should have broken out, but you didn't, which means you likely don't, and you likely go lower, right? And that might sound concerning, right? But it's not. It's not. I promise you it's not concerning. From a low to a high in the face of a massive move like this, it's extremely common to pull back to the 382. And oftentimes, when it's your first interaction, you even go just below the 382, kind of like that. But in these strong moves, you will probably tip it. You'll probably tip it and bounce right off of it. So Swift coin, I'm very positive, is going to move down to 2 cents. I can't even remember. Did I call for 2 cents yesterday? I know I said at least because you had bearish divergence here on the daily time frame. So I know I was at least calling for this, but I don't remember if I threw a fib on there or not. If I did, the 382 would be an obvious choice, but I think you probably do continue to move down. You're at 3 cents now. Damn, bro, you're going to have another 50% drop. Is that what's going to happen? That's crazy. I know it sounds like 50% is crazy, but hey, man, over the past 2 days, you already dropped 46%. Wouldn't that be that would be a 50% drop from here? That is not, no. What am I doing wrong? You're at 3 cents to 2 cents. That's not 50%. I'm sorry. Whoa. That's 33%. Of course it is. It's late for me, you guys. Okay, my bad. I just thought I did it backwards. I took 2 cents and then I added 1, which would be 50% of 2, but that's not the same. I hope I'm not confusing people. Okay, so let's just move on. Okay, so 2 cents, 30% drop from here. Okay, probably finding support at the previous areas of support. I bet you find a higher low. Okay, you've got this lower low in your RSI, yet a higher low in the price. I think that maintains, and what you're going to do is you're probably going to find support around the 50 area, if not somewhere in the bullish area of control, or at least more bullish readings. Right? I don't think that you're going to see an oversold reading or anything like that. It is possible, though I don't expect this to happen, it is possible that you could drop all the way to your golden ratio. And this is going to be something that I said for XCN yesterday. I'm going to be very clear in this. I do not expect that you'll move down to 1.26 cents to 1 cent. That's your golden ratio zone. It's there. It's a nice area to find support. If you were to move down there, I bet you'd be very constructive to move up. Massive buying opportunity if it does. Massive buying opportunity here as well. And even after a couple days, even at this price, it's at a nice discount, right? But I don't expect this to happen. I'm not going to be like, woohoo, I called it. I'm right. I am crypto Jesus if we move down here. No, I'll be like, hey, I expected it to go here. This was beyond my expectations. I did not get that right. But I'm making you aware. That way, if the price does go down there, and if you bought up here, or if you bought over here, or if you bought over here, wherever you bought and the price goes down there, you will know to not panic sell. Do not panic sell. at the golden ratio. Do not panic sell at previous areas of resistance, which you will find as support, which you found support here. Don't do that, right? Play the mental game with yourself. Ask yourself, if I didn't buy here and the price did go down here, would I wish that I could have bought here? Of course you would wish you could buy here. You don't want to buy high and sell low. It's okay if you buy high. It's not okay to sell low. Just wait for it to come back up and it will be high. Okay, I promise you. All right, I can't promise you that, I guess, but I mean it. I promise that I mean it. I promise that that is my assumption. That's my opinion. I'm not just saying this for clicks and likes or to appeal to the masses. I'm saying it because I genuinely mean it. But what I would expect to happen, again, I'm only addressing this because I don't expect it to happen. But in case it does, I don't want people panicking. I don't want people to lose money. I want people to make money. I don't care who you are, whether you're Economic Ninja, whether you're Crypto Future, whether you're some other guy who likes to degen out with crypto. You know, I don't want to see anybody lose money. I don't think anybody wants to see anybody lose money. That's what I was trying to say. I'm getting too philosophical here, man. 2 cents. 2 cents is where I think you're going to go. That's where I think you're going to find support. We look at the 4-hour time frame. You are getting some lower lows in the RSI. Yes, some of the weaker readings. It looks as if you've broken out of this uptrend in your RSI. I know I sloped that line up kind of. Let's use a straight line here. Something like that. Yeah. So I think on the 4-hour, you probably get oversold. We might even form bullish divergence before we bounce. But I assume it likely takes place around 2 cents. I do not assume we go below 1.7 cents, though if we do, 1.2 to 1 cent itself awaits, okay? Oh, wait. Yeah. I got nothing else for you guys. I think that's it, right? Everything is still as planned with SwiftCoin. Nothing has changed as far as the upside goes. SwiftCoin remains a coin, an ever elusive coin that I want to sink my teeth into. I want to buy. I'm not going to buy it here. I'm going to wait. And I'm going to end the video on this note, okay? If you're looking to buy SwiftCoin, and I've talked about this on basically every video tonight, so a lot of you probably are already aware of this, but odds are tomorrow, if we think logically, the stock market is going to drop. Right, crypto dropped in assumption to these tariffs that are happening, that have been signed by Donald Trump. Crypto's dropping, and it's because we're open 24/7. We're open during the weekends. The stock market is not. Normally, if the crypto markets are moving down, the stock market moves down. If the stock market moves up, the crypto markets are moving up. They move in tandem together most of the time. So I'm assuming that this will be received negatively. I'm assuming that there will be some selling pressure that comes into tomorrow, and that will likely affect the crypto markets too. SwiftCoin is a crypto in the crypto markets. Likely, that's not your low. Likely you do go lower. Okay, that's my assumption. And where's that low going to take you? Probably around 2 cents. I don't believe that you're going to go below 1.7 cents, but if you do, 1 cent to 1.2 cents awaits. I hope that's clear. I hope that's concise. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Be safe. Be smart. And also, maybe I should just end it. I'm going to say one more thing. Okay, I'm going to say one more thing. I keep trying to end it, but I'm going to say one more thing. It's discouraging when you buy and the price drops. It's discouraging when you buy and the price goes up and then it comes back down to where you buy. It's discouraging. But it's the most discouraging whenever you buy high, you sell low, and then it goes higher. It goes to the targets that you knew it was going to go to when you bought it here and you were comfortable with it going to those targets. That's all you wanted. So don't get greedy. Don't feel like, oh, I messed up. No, because odds are, yes, you did not buy at the right time. But odds are it's just a matter of time before it goes up to new highs, guys. It's just a matter of time. It's going to recover. It's going to do phenomenal. SwiftCoin still has all these bullish narratives. Nothing about the fundamentals have changed, okay? So don't panic. Please don't panic. I know a lot of you are new to crypto. I don't want you to panic. I want you to make money. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but let's all get rich together, okay? Be safe, be smart, and I think if you wait for another 12 hours to 24 hours, maybe even a little bit longer than that, within the next day or two, you will find a even more opportunistic opportunity to buy some SwiftCoin. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.